And this is a story of the cat that lived under the bed. What was the cat's name that lived under the bed?
No, I don't know. I never heard that one.
What was the name of the cat here?
Tabby.
Tabby, the cat that lived under the bed, sulking and souring all the day long. Oh, quit growling. What is wrong with you? Oh, the matter with you? Huh? Listen, this is the story of Tabby the cat who lived under the bed. What are you growling about? Kitty, 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 kitty. Quit being so miserable and be happy. Nothing worse than a miserable cat. But this cat is a lot better cat. And its name is Cuddles. Kitty, 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 look up. Do you have anything to say for the man? Meow. Another view of the cat on top of the bed. A new cat, a different cat that seems to be running away. Where are you going? No! Don't run away! Where are you going? And there is the cat sniffing the vacuum cleaner. Crawling its way around, looking at its food. Around the string. Should we try the mackerel? Well, come here then.
I can't get the window open so I couldn't sweep it up.
There's Dad's cat.
Keith, you gonna go out and start the car? Craig, remember when you used to roll the cat in the leaves last fall when you were here? Look out here where you were rolling the cat in the leaves. What do you think?
Huh? She is like...
Boy.
Y'all live pretty well? Like to have a nicer home? Some of these people live right here. They're on the
Says I'm boss of the house. She gave me permission to tell you that. I have to sleep on the rug by the litter box now. She's taken over the bed. Oh, the snow is hitting. Warp. I don't know.
Grandma, what do you want me to do with your blanket? Is this ours?
Oh, yeah, that's Grandma's.
That's yours?
Kitty! Meow!
It's Susan's.
Meow! Well, in other news, Sasha, the big black Doberman, is still chasing socks around the house. And
you know, we just wanted
hey,
we didn't want to let up on the on the first period. We let up a little bit and it came back with 2 goals. So it was on my goal. It was great. We did all the work.
Well, at least they won the game tonight. That's the main thing. So you're taking a picture of them, are you? Is that?
Sasha, the big black Doberman, isn't worried at all about the flood. Running. anyone?